In today's video, we're going to take a look at the toolbar in Illustrator. Now, your toolbar may look a little bit different to mine. That's because there are two different options to choose from. You can select what one you want to use by clicking on Window, Toolbars, and then select either the advanced or the basic version. You can also change this by clicking on the ellipsis and then this view button. Also, by clicking on the ellipsis, you'll see the icon and the name of each tool you have access to on the toolbar, along with the shortcut key to press to quickly access the tool in that group. You'll notice that some seem darker than others, and this is due to them being part of a drop-down list for the one highlighted within its group. For example, let's take a look at the shapes. Clicking and holding the selected shape in the toolbar menu will then display the drop-down list where you can find the other shapes. Don't forget, you also have the option to show or hide fill stroke controls, colour controls, draw mode controls, and screen mode controls. If you want to move the toolbar, you can do this by clicking at the top and then dragging it around the screen. You can also snap it to the other side on the right of the screen. If you accidentally remove the toolbar, then as we done before, click on Window, Toolbar, and then select the one that you were using. Thanks for watching.